All right, today's lesson is chapter 1, section 7. It is multiplication. Uh, Pretty simple for the most part, but the biggest thing here, concern for most of you, is going to be multi-digit multiplication. Multiplying is an easier way to add when the add-ins are the same. So if you had 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, think of this as a perimeter problem. You would add a 12. However, you know that you have 4 sets of 3, so 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 and 3 are your factors. Your answer in a multiplication problem is called a product. When multiplying a large number, multiply each place. You may have to rename and add. So the example they give you in number 1 here is 82 times 7. You're going to multiply the two ones, then you're going to do 2 times 7. That's going to give you 14. Now you cannot put your 14 down. This is what they call renaming. So then you're going to put your ones up here, and now you're going to do 8 times 7. That's going to give you 56. Sorry about the bell. We're going to give you 56. Then you just add your 1, and you're going to put 57 there. And you can go ahead and keep the 57 because you have no other digits over here to multiply. So that is a multi-digit number times a single-digit number.
In honor of Constitution Day this Thursday, the leadership.
All right, so continuing now with example number 2, you're going to do 57 times 36. So again, you're going to do exactly what you kind of done on the problem here. You're going to do the 7 times 6 first. And we're going to multiply the ones column. 7 times 6 is 42. Now it does look like I just put the 40 down, the 4 down, but you really do carry it over. And then it's 5 times 6, and this is what they're showing over here. 5 times 6 is 30 plus the 2. Now you're going to have the plus the 4 gives you 34. So 342 is the first row. That is 57 times 6, what you figured out. Now you can get rid of that 6 because you're done with it. And then over here you're going to do 57 times 3. So you're multiplying the top numbers by the tens column. So 7 times 3. Now, and because you are doing the tens column, you need to place a 0 here. And that's what they've done underneath our 2's and our 1 columns. So now you can go ahead and do the tens. 57 times 3 is 7 times 3, 21. So you're going to put your 1 down and carry your 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Add your 2, and it's going to give you 17. So 57 times 3, and notice they have it as 30. Well, yes, they have it as 30 because they put the 0 down here when you cross off this 6. So that is really what's happening there. You're multiplying 57 times 30. You get 1710. Next step is to finally add those numbers up. So you're going to take 342 plus 1710, as long as your numbers lined up. Remember, you can line them up with decimals. Every number has a decimal, and you would end up making sure that you have everything in the ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. Your answer for this is 2052. One of the big things here is you're going to do an assignment, and you're going to have page 17. You're going to skip the top. You're not going to worry about this. I'm going to do number 1, so you're definitely going to need a lined piece of paper today to do your work. So if you did 27 times 8, then you're just going to show your work. One interesting thing here that I will have for you is you in Schoology, in your tools folder, will have, I gotta find out where our tools folder is. I think we currently have it right here. I'll move it into this week, but in the tools, you have this multiplication setup reminder sheet. So this is going to be huge. Let's see if I can copy that image over here into our thing. Get another page. There. Okay, so with that, this will help you. So you're going to do the home bases, top two numbers, and you're going to multiply by, or 7 in this case, the circle that you're multiplying by shows on this row. Don't forget to put your 0 here. Then you can do the 8 times each of the top numbers. And notice how they square that there. That's for multi-digit. On this one, it's going to be pretty simple. 8 times 7, 56. I cannot put my 5 with it because I still have digits to the left. 8 times 2, 16, plus my 5 gives me 21, and I can just go ahead and write my answer there for that. So your work today is going to be numbers 1 through 12, and the first 4 answers pretty easy because it's multi-digits times single digits, and the rest, 5 through 12, are multi-digits by multi-digits, and so you're going to want to make sure that you are using a line paper for that, as well as our multiplication digit chart. Okay, you may begin.